In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run general ledger reports in Xero. Let's get started and take a step-by-step journey through the process. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Go to the Xero login page, where you'll see a clear prompt to enter your credentials. Simply enter your email and password and then click on the login button. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for accessing all the different features Xero offers. From here, your next move is to navigate to the accounting section. You can do this by locating the accounting tab in the main menu, hover over or click on it, and you'll see a drop down menu appear. In this drop down, you'll find the reports option, click on reports, and you'll be presented with a list of various report choices that are available to you. These reports offer a range of insights into your business's financial health. For our purposes today, we want to focus specifically on the general ledger summary, which provides a comprehensive overview of your accounts. Now scroll down through the available reports until you find the general ledger summary and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can customize the report to suit your specific needs. One of the first things you'll want to do here is select all accounts. This ensures that you get a full view of all financial activity captured in the ledger. Next, it's time to set the date range for your report. Consider what time period you want to analyze, perhaps the last month, quarter, or year, and input this range in the date fields available. Narrowing or extending the date range can give you insights into specific financial trends and patterns relevant to your business. After you've selected your accounts and date range, you'll need to update the report to reflect these settings. Look for the Update button, usually prominently displayed on the page, and click it. This will refresh the report using your specified criteria, providing you with the most relevant and up-to-date data. With your report updated, you have a couple of options for what to do next. If you want to save the report for later use or future reference, simply click on Save As. Alternatively, if you need to share this report or analyze it further using other software, you can export it. The export option will typically allow you to download the report in various formats, such as PDF, Excel, or CSV, making it easy to work with in other applications. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully generated a general ledger report in Xero. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.